Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix your live wallpaper not working on Android. If you're unable to use your live wallpaper or it's not functioning well, then what you have to do is you just have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and in some cases, if you have installed or if you have applied live wallpaper, the device might not be compatible. So check whether the live wallpaper feature is compatible with your devices or not. And apart from it, you could also try checking your software update. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up your settings, and when you open up your settings, you just have to scroll down right to the bottom and then go to system, and here you should be able to see local software update. Make sure to update your application as well. And if nothing seems to be working out, then what else you can do is you would also go ahead and enable the privacy settings. Sometimes due to some privacy concern, the issue might be bothered. You just have to check the settings and you should be able to get it. Despite doing all of these procedure, if you're still unable to fix it, then you could go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box you just type in live wallpaper or live background and lock screen. Go ahead and install the application, and this is compatible with all the versions. That is how you can fix your live wallpaper not working on Android problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.